Yo guys, welcome back to another YouTube vid. In today's video, we're gonna be, so technically, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to, so if you guys don't wanna be in the Insider Hub version of Minecraft, I'll technically be showing you guys how to leave that version. So, without further ado, let's do the thing. Alright, so now obviously if you're in it, you're gonna have to go to the Insider Hub itself. And once you're in Insider Hub, if I can find it, because I'm a bot. Alright, anyways. Here's Insider Hub right here. Now, once you are in Insider Hub, you need to go down to, one sec, it's gonna take a bit to load. Okay, there it is. Okay, and now you're gonna need to go down to Insider Content. And once you're by Insider Content, you would see Minecraft right here. Except for Minecraft wouldn't be. Like, you would be in it available right here. It just, like, obviously, like, when I press on it, it says for me join, because I'm not in the Insider Hub beta program. So, now on your screen, you're not going to have join, but you're going to have manage. And when you have manage on your screen, you need to press on manage, and then it should bring you to an unroll screen, and then you press unroll, and then it's going to put out like a message on your screen saying you might need to delete Minecraft. So then you go to see all, or all your games, and then you go down and you delete Minecraft. And once you delete Minecraft, it should come up here into your ready to install. And once it's in your ready to install, you're gonna want to reinstall it, and then press reinstall all, and then it'll reinstall. And then when it's finally done installing, it should fix it, and you should be out of the Insider Hub beta program. Alright, so if this video was helpful for you guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and also leave a like. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vid. Bye!